Only qualified personnel should install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video demonstrates the correct installation of the Driftwood Logset into a Napoleon Ascent linear premium gas fireplace. The studs within the firebox have letters associated to them for identification. The Driftwood Logset requires the removal of studs B and E. Take note of the hole in log 1, which lines up with stud C, and the notch, which lines up with stud A. Place the log in the back left corner, covering stud C. Then pull it forward until it rests behind stud A. Locate the hole in log 2, and place it on stud C, in the middle rear of the firebox. Locate the hole and channel on log 3, and place them over studs F and G, in the back right corner of the firebox. Place log 7 on the front right side of the media tray, and ensure the smaller end is facing towards the pilot light. Place the smaller end of log 8 on top of log 7, ensuring it does not cover any burner ports. Place log 6 on the media tray, in front of the pilot light, with the thinner end facing log 7. Use the charred section on the bottom of the log as a reference point for placement, ensuring the pilot is not covered. Place log 5 on the left side of the media tray, with the charred edge facing the burner. Place log 4 with the hooked end resting on log 1, and the straight end on the front left side of the media tray. Ensure not to cover any burner ports. To finalize the media installation, place the supplied charcoal on the media tray, around the logs. Glowing embers, and ambient glow embers, can be used to provide additional aesthetic appeal. Ensure the charcoal and glowing embers do not cover the burner or air intakes, and the ambient glow embers don't come in contact with the pilot. See the video description for all manual, leaflet, and part numbers for this log set. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.